Tired of eating bacon and eggs for breakfast again? Here's how to break the monotony of boring breakfasts while still enjoying weight loss, increased energy, and more mental clarity. Wake up energized and excited for your day. Quick and easy keto meals that will boost your energy and burn fat all day long. What are the values that this book brings to you? 1. There are lots of scrumptious recipes here for every meal of the day, plus snacks and desserts. If you enjoy Asian cooking, you will be delighted to see that many of the recipes in this ketogenic cookbook are Asian or Asian-inspired. If you do not like Asian cuisine, you will find plenty of other types of foods here to enjoy. It is just a bonus if you do. 2. More than 124 delicious and easy keto recipes. Most of the recipes are fast and easy to make. Nothing here is bland, everything is delectably spiced. All the ingredients are common, affordable, and easy to find. 3. The cooking and health tips provide you with expert insights as you read. 4. You never have to do any unit conversions. 5. Free bonus content adds value to the ketogenic cookbook. That includes email coaching if you need it. How many cookbook authors will actually answer your questions about their recipes? It is amazing being able to get personal advice from the experts. 6. There is a 60-day money-back satisfaction guarantee. That offers you plenty of time to try out the cookbook. The Essential Keto Cookbook is an excellent ebook for beginners and veterans of the keto diet who want to expand and spice up their weekly menus without struggling to find obscure ingredients or do challenging preparations. Feel the great change starting today.